In this short message, I'm going to let you know how we went from $500 a day, gross sales, to almost $100,000 a week within our first 9 months. So here's how it went. True story. In 1989, think about where you were in 1989. Many of you were not even born yet. That was a long time ago. So in 1989, my wife Eileen and I were brand new in the direct response marketing business. So we started our business 6 months prior to that. We started by running a couple ads in some different magazines that are no longer in business. And this is way before the internet now. And within 6 months, because we had the right idea at the right time, and the market received us very well, we were bringing in an average of $500 a day, which was around $16,000 a month total sales. And that was more money than Eileen and I had ever made in our entire lives. And we weren't just spending all of it either. But in today's dollars, because this is 1989, so today you'd have to add another 40% to it or something like that. But then one day I was going to the mailbox to pick up all of our mail, and in with all of the orders that day was a letter from a guy named Russ Von Holscher. It was a brochure for his consulting services, and I already knew who he was. I had already read one of his books, I think. And so there was some name recognition, and along with the brochure, he simply put a personal note in with it. And it just said, I've seen your ads, I know what you're doing, and I know I can help you make more money. Give me a call. I called him and my life changed. Our lives changed. Because within 5 years, we had brought in over $10 million. And I attribute most of that to the fact that we did, if not all of it, to the fact that we did everything Russ told us to do. At that time, he had over 20 years of experience. So he had already made millions of dollars for himself and his clients. He knew exactly what to do, exactly how to do it, and we followed everything he told us to do. We just did it. It was only years later, after I got rebellious and cocky and started thinking I knew more than I did, that I started bucking the system and trying things my way, and failing more often than succeeding, I might add. But in the early years, Russ told us to do something. We never questioned it. We just did what he told us to do, and it became a real shortcut to becoming instant millionaires. Within 9 months of meeting Russ, our sales were almost $100,000 a week. We went on to making millions and millions of dollars. We've been good friends with him ever since. It's the power of having someone who has already gone where you want to go. They've already solved all of the problems that you want to solve. They've already figured it all out so that you don't have to. You're walking in the footsteps of giants, so to say. You're standing on the shoulders of people who have already gone where you want to go. So that's the power of working with a good mentor. I've had several, and I still work with people that are a lot smarter than I am every single day. They're part of my team. So nobody ever gets rich by themselves. Whatever rich means to you. Maybe you want to make $100,000 a year. Maybe you want to make $100,000 a month. Maybe you want to bring in $100,000 a day. Whatever amount of money you want to make, it's out there for you, but you're going to have to find people who have already done it. Find people that are doing it. Not just people who have done it 20 years ago. You need people that are in the trenches right here and right now. And that's one of the things that we provide. By being a client of ours, we're giving you the best of everything that we've used to generate many, many, many tens of millions of dollars worth of sales and profits without any of the headaches and hassles that most people are having to go through. So there's all kinds of amazing techniques that we've discovered and developed over the years that once you're a student of ours, you can tap into. So if you are a student of ours, congratulations. And if you're not and you want to know more about what we're doing, click the link below. We're here to help, and we're always looking for good joint venture business partners that we can make money with. So thank you for listening to this message. Remember, no matter how much money you want to make, it's out there for you right now. It's in the purses and wallets and available lines of credit of millions of people who are out there searching for products and services that you can provide for them. They're searching for the solutions that you can provide in the form of various products and services. You just have to know how to go out there and get it, and that's what we teach you how to do. And as Russ told Eileen and I in the very beginning, all it takes is just one idea to make $1 million. And at the time, that just blew me away. Because at the time when we first met Russ, I was a long ways from being a millionaire. I would add this. All it takes is just one good idea that's well executed and well implemented to make well over $1 million. And we're here to help you do it. So thank you for listening to this. And if you want to know more about who I am and what we're doing, click on the link below. If you're one of my clients, God bless you. Congratulations. Glad to be working with you, and bye for now.